Hello, I'm Tim Klenk with MasterTech Custom Coach RV and Marine out of Elkhart, Indiana. Today we got a beautiful 2003 Prevost bus conversion by Marathon Coach, in which we did a ton of service on the inside, from the air system to the slide out to the compressor system to the AC system to belts, oil, fluid change, air dryer, lights. One of the mirrors was inoperative, had a shorted out wire within the actual arm itself. We did the dash instrumentation repair on there, plus we did a raspberry repair to the Marathon Coach information system. We completely buffed out the stainless from, of course, the painted line all the way down to the bottom. We did also a detail from there on the top side as well. And we do that from Prevost to Monaco's to Tiffin's to Newmar coaches. It doesn't matter what it is. We at MasterTech got your back because we want you guys looking and feeling good about yourself. And in order to do that, we want to assist in keeping your rides the ultimate and the best looking possible. So that's what MasterTech is about, is world-class service to be able to keep you guys on the road and enjoying the lifestyle. So whatever your needs are in the industry, from awnings to electrical to inverter to lithium to flooring to glass to full body paint, collision, chassis service, it doesn't matter what it is. At MasterTech Custom Coach RV and Marine in Elkhart, Indiana, we got your back. So like us on Facebook, like our YouTube videos, and share them if you would please, because that's what keeps us servicing the industry as being #1. Thank you guys, God bless, and we'll see you down the road.